That's why I like my blanket. You can have your blanket between your thighs and just gives you some support like that. You can also have your blanket or block in front of you to rest your head on like this. If you have a very thick blanket or blocks as well, you can build up a base for yourself right in front of you. So you bring it between the legs so the legs are open. And I'll just show you, for those of you who don't know, these fun things to do with our yoga props. You can bring the blocks on the floor and you kind of build up a little I don't know if you want to call it a little mountain, a little hill, and you can just lie on it this way. I'm just going to show you, my mic might get muffled for a second. So, or you cannot use anything at all and just come into child's pose, you know, with nothing, or you can just use a block for your head. So just come into any comfortable child's pose position, any variation that's comfortable for you, but I want you to find something that's comfortable. So if you need a block under the head, you need a blanket under the head, you need something between the legs and, you know, the thighs and the calves, I want you to come into a comfortable child's pose, or just, you know, as I said, you have the option of just lying on your back, or you can be sitting in your chair.